Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Few Steps, and here we explain everything tech in just few steps. 5 simple steps to set up your AWS EC2 instance with password authentication. Step 1. Launch your new AWS EC2 instance and log in using SSH key. Step 2. Add new user with root permissions using the following command and set your desired password. Step 3. Add this line to your sudo configuration. Step 4. Enable password authentication by editing below file using the following command. Change this flag from no to yes. Step 5. Restart the SSH service and you're done. Everything good. Now you can log into your AWS EC2 instance with just password without SSH key. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe and like us to learn more tech in just few steps.